Hello, you are welcome to Den of Knowledge Basic 3. My name is Boniface Samson, and today we'll be discussing air in motion, that is wind, in basic science. Air in motion. Air in motion, that is wind. First of all, what is air? Air is the mixture of gases. Air is the mixture of gases. Now, what is wind? Wind is air in motion. Wind can simply be defined as air in motion, that is moving air. Now, what is the importance of wind? What is the importance of wind? Do you like wind? Maybe. Let's look at the importance of wind. Number one is transportation. Wind enables some things like aeroplane to fly. That is, it helps in moving goods and services, or human being perhaps, from one place to another. Like aeroplane, it enables aeroplane to fly. Without wind, there won't be airports, there won't be aeroplane, there will be no need for it. And it enables boats to move, to transport goods and human beings from one place to another. You can see aeroplane flying on the screen and boats sailing on water. Another thing is electricity. Do you know that wind helps in electricity? Generates electricity by turning the mine or turbine. We have another one, recreation. Wind helps in recreational sports, games like flying of kites. You love kite? I like it. Flying of balloon and even bubble. Now the next one is pollination. I repeat, pollination. Air helps plants to cross-pollinate. There's something called cross-pollination, and also pollinate itself. Without air, winds, that is wind blowing plants, it enables plants to pollinate, that is allowing anther to move into the style or stigma and fertilize the plant. That is the four. Number one, transportation. Number two, electricity. 3, recreation, and 4, pollination of plants. Now, what are the instruments used in measuring wind? Number one is called anemometer. Anemometer measures the speed of the wind. It measures the speed of the wind. As the wind is moving with speed, the anemometer will measure it, rotate with it, and tell you the magnitude of its movement, how fast it is. And we have another one called wind vane. Wind vane measures the direction of the wind. Whether the wind is going to south, it will point there, east, north, and west. Now, what are the effects of wind to our environment, society? Effect of wind to our society. Number one is wind causes erosion. Wind causes erosion. How? As wind blows, do you know what is erosion? Erosion is removal of top soil, top layer of the soil. Wind, when it blows with high speed, it will take away soil and thereby causing erosion. Now, another one is environmental pollution. Wind can carry particles, waste products, and put it in one particular area, thereby polluting that area. It can carry something like peppers, dust, clothes, many other things as it blows and take it to an environment. And once it enters one area, that area will be polluted. Number 3, storm. Wind causes storm. When rain is falling, it's only wind that makes storm to come. Rain alone can't do that. Wind is fast air that moves. And storm can cause many things, like blowing of the roof. The storm can pull poles and trees down. Like electric poles, high storm can push it down, and high storm can pull it from the root, and thereby causing what is called wastage. That's in our Greek, it can take away plants, uproot it and take it elsewhere. But remember, wind can be also helpful. How can wind affect human beings? We've heard how it affects our environment. What about us? Wind helps in moving airborne disease, that is spreading of disease. Wind can spread disease, like cough. It's wind that can move a cough from one place to another, affecting another person. And also it causes dryness of the body, dryness of the skin. That is what is called harmattan. When harmattan comes, it's wind that will make us to feel cold and also dry our skin. Once your skin is dry, you are in danger of injuries, because you can move your skin anyhow and sustain injury. Now we'll be ending here today. I believe you enjoyed this lesson. See you next time on the same place. Den of Knowledge. Bye.